What's holding you back? Is it fatigue? Lack of sleep? Do you find yourself constantly battling exhaustion, feeling like you can never catch up on rest? Do you feel drained, like you just don't have the energy to push through the day, let alone chase your dreams? Maybe you feel like there aren't enough hours in the day. The clock seems to move faster than you can keep up, and your to-do list never gets shorter. Is that what's stopping you right now? The feeling of being perpetually stuck, unable to move forward? Perhaps it's a lack of money. Financial constraints can feel like insurmountable barriers, making every step forward seem impossible. Is that the real obstacle, the thing truly standing between you and your goals? We all face challenges. Life throws curveballs, and sometimes it feels like we're constantly dodging them. It's easy to get caught up in the what-ifs and the if-onlys. We spend so much time reflecting on what could have been or what should be. But let's be honest with ourselves, are these reflections helping us, or are they just another form of procrastination? How often are these reasons genuine roadblocks, and how often are they convenient excuses? Are we using them as shields to protect ourselves from failure? It's time to confront those doubts head on. Look them in the eye and challenge their validity. Stop and ask yourself, are these reasons, or are they excuses disguised as reasons? Are you hiding behind them to avoid taking risks? Are you letting perceived limitations dictate your life, or are you ready to take control and forge your own path? The power to change your narrative lies within you. It's time to break free and take that first step towards your dreams. Remember this, excuses sound most convincing to the person making them. It's easy to fall into the trap of self-pity, to wallow in the why me mentality. But that road leads nowhere. Stop feeling sorry for yourself. Ditch the pity party. You don't need to justify your inaction to others or to yourself. The only permission you need to succeed is the permission you give yourself. Instead of dwelling on what you don't have, focus on what you can control. You have the power to change your circumstances, to rise above challenges, and to build the life you envision. It's time to awaken the sleeping giant within you. The world is full of opportunities for those willing to seize them. Are you ready to answer the call? You see people living their dreams. And what's your reaction? Envy, resentment? Do you feel a pang of jealousy when you see someone else achieving what you desire? Do you find yourself thinking, it must be nice? Do you catch yourself comparing your journey to theirs, wondering why it seems so easy for them? Let me tell you something, success isn't handed out on a silver platter. It's not a gift that falls into someone's lap without effort. Those who achieve great things, they worked for it, they bled for it, they sacrificed for it. Behind every success story, there's a tale of perseverance, late nights, and countless sacrifices. Don't begrudge someone their success because you haven't put in the work. Instead of feeling jealous, ask yourself if you've truly given your all. Instead of wasting time on jealousy, channel that energy into building your own dreams. Use that envy as fuel to ignite your passion and drive. No one owes you anything, not a handout, not a leg up, not a shortcut. Success is not an entitlement, it's something you earn. Your success is your responsibility and yours alone. It's about taking ownership of your journey and being accountable for your actions. It's time to stop making excuses and start taking ownership. Excuses only hold you back while action propels you forward. Own your choices, own your mistakes, but most importantly, own your potential. Embrace the power you have to shape your destiny. The only thing stopping you from achieving greatness is the story you keep telling yourself. Change the narrative. Rewrite your story with determination, resilience, and an unwavering belief in your potential. You want to know the secret to success? It's not some magic formula or a stroke of luck. It's about dedication, perseverance, and an unwavering belief in yourself, even when the going gets tough. It's about pushing past your comfort zone, embracing the grind, and never giving up on your vision. Success is earned, not given. It demands sacrifice, discipline, and a relentless pursuit of your goals. It means early mornings, late nights, and countless hours of hard work. But let me tell you, the rewards are worth every ounce of effort. So are you willing to pay the price? Are you ready to put in the work, to silence the doubts, and prove to yourself that you have what it takes? The choice is yours. You have the potential for greatness within you. It's time to stop ignoring it, burying it under self-doubt and excuses. The world needs your unique talents, your perspective, your voice. Don't deprive the world of what you have to offer. You have a responsibility to yourself, to your dreams, to live up to your full potential. Don't waste your time on what-ifs and maybes. Take action, step into your power. The path to success isn't always clear, and it's rarely easy. but it's there waiting for you. Take the first step and then the next and never look back. The world is yours for the taking. Let me tell you something. I didn't wake up one day driving a Rolls-Royce, living a life most people only dream of. It wasn't handed to me. There was no trust fund, no lucky break, no easy path. Everything I have, I earned through sweat, through struggle, through sheer determination. I remember the days when I questioned everything, when self-doubt whispered in my ear, trying to convince me to give up. But I refused to listen. I pushed harder, worked smarter, and slowly but surely, the results started to show. Success is a process, a journey of 1,000 small steps. It's about transforming those doubts into fuel, those setbacks into lessons. It's about looking fear in the eye and saying, I will not be denied. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your dreams be. It takes time, it takes effort, it takes relentless dedication. But just like those Roman architects, you have the power to build something extraordinary, brick by brick, day by day. Every early morning workout, every late night study session, every rejection, every obstacle overcome, these are the bricks that form the foundation of your success. Don't underestimate the power of consistent action, of showing up even when you don't feel like it. Each small victory, each milestone reached, brings you one step closer to your ultimate goal. So keep your head down, focus on the task at hand, and never lose sight of the bigger picture. Maybe you haven't achieved your dreams yet. Maybe you're still struggling, still facing setbacks, still searching for that breakthrough moment. But here's the thing, yet is a powerful word. It implies potential, possibility, and most importantly, hope. It acknowledges where you are while reminding you that the journey isn't over. You're not defined by your current circumstances, but by your willingness to keep pushing forward. Embrace the power of yet. Use it as a mantra, a reminder that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Don't let setbacks define you. Let them refine you, sharpen you, and propel you towards your ultimate destination. Stop waiting for the perfect moment, because it will never come. The idea of a perfect moment is an illusion, a mirage that keeps you from taking action. There will always be a reason to postpone, to delay, to tell yourself not yet. Life is full of distractions and responsibilities that can easily become excuses. There will always be another task to check off your list, another obstacle to overcome, another excuse to conjure. But these are just barriers you create to avoid stepping out of your comfort zone. The stars will never align perfectly. Waiting for everything to be just right is a recipe for inaction. The universe won't hand you a personalized invitation to pursue your dreams. No one is going to give you permission to chase what you truly want. You have to create your own opportunities. You have to be proactive, take initiative, and make things happen for yourself. You have to grab hold of this moment and wring every ounce of potential from it. The present is all you have, and it's brimming with possibilities. The path to success is paved with urgency, with the understanding that tomorrow is promised to no one. Time is fleeting, and the future is uncertain. It's about recognizing that the only difference between those who achieve their dreams and those who don't is the decision to start, to act, to commit fully to the journey. It's about taking that first step, no matter how daunting it may seem, and continuing to move forward with determination and resilience. Tomorrow is a seductive liar, whispering promises of endless possibilities while lulling you into a state of complacency. It's easy to get trapped in the I'll start tomorrow mentality, but tomorrow is a mirage that fades with the rising sun. Every day you delay, every moment you hesitate, is a missed opportunity. It's a chance to learn, to grow, to make progress towards your goals slipping through your fingers. Don't let procrastination steal your dreams. Time waits for no one. It marches forward relentlessly, indifferent to your excuses and your indecision. The only guarantee in life is the present moment. So, what are you going to do with it? Section 3. Seize your moment. This is your wake-up call. This is the universe knocking at your door, urging you to step outside your comfort zone and embrace the unknown. This is your opportunity to take control, to rewrite the narrative of your life, and to create a future worthy of your wildest dreams. Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for the perfect plan. Stop waiting for someone else to tell you it's your turn. The only permission you need is the permission you give yourself. The world rewards action. It celebrates those who dare to dream big, to take risks, and to chase their passions with unwavering determination. So what are you waiting for? Dive in headfirst and embrace the exhilarating ride. Section 4. No more waiting for the perfect time. There will never be a perfect time to pursue your dreams. There will always be challenges, obstacles, and unexpected detours along the way. Life doesn't wait for you to feel ready. It unfolds in real time, demanding your full attention and unwavering commitment. Stop using busy as a badge of honor. Stop glorifying the grind while simultaneously making excuses for inaction. True success requires sacrifice, discipline, and a willingness to prioritize your dreams above all else. It's time to stop making excuses and start making time. Wake up earlier, stay up later, and utilize every spare moment to inch closer to your goals. The only limits you have are the ones you impose upon yourself. Section 5. Your dreams are calling. Deep down, you know what you're capable of achieving. You feel the pull of your unrealized potential, the yearning for something more than a life of mediocrity and unfulfilled dreams. The universe is conspiring in your favor, aligning circumstances and presenting opportunities tailored to your unique talents and aspirations. But it's up to you to recognize and seize them. Your dreams are calling. Can you hear them? They whisper promises of fulfillment, purpose, and a life overflowing with passion and meaning. Don't silence their call any longer. Answer with a resounding yes and embark on the adventure of a lifetime. Here's a truth that might be hard to swallow. Everything you need to succeed is already within you. You are not lacking in talent, drive, or intelligence. You have the capacity for greatness, but you've allowed yourself to be held back by self-doubt and limiting beliefs. It's time to shed those layers of insecurity and step into the fullness of who you are meant to be. You have a unique perspective, a story to tell, a contribution to make to the world. Don't let anyone, including yourself, convince you otherwise. Unlock your potential by embracing your strengths, acknowledging your weaknesses, and committing to constant growth and self-improvement. You are a work in progress, and that's okay. Embrace the journey of becoming the best version of yourself. You have the power to change your circumstances, to defy the odds, to achieve what others deem impossible. You have the strength to overcome adversity, the resilience to bounce back from setbacks, and the determination to never give up on your dreams. The human spirit is capable of extraordinary things. History is filled with stories of ordinary individuals who achieved the impossible through sheer willpower and an unwavering belief in themselves. You are no different. Tap into that wellspring of power within you. Cultivate an unshakable belief in your abilities and watch as doors open and opportunities present themselves. You have the power to create the life you desire, but you must first believe that you are worthy of it. Stop telling yourself you don't have enough time. It's the oldest excuse in the book, a convenient crutch that prevents you from taking action. The truth is, we all have the same 24 hours in a day. The difference lies in how we choose to spend them. Are you scrolling through social media while your dreams gather dust? Are you binge-watching TV shows while your goals remain unfulfilled? It's time to take a hard look at your priorities and make a change. Every minute you waste on distractions is a minute stolen from your future self. Time management is a skill, and like any skill, it can be learned and mastered. Start small, set realistic goals, and chip away at your dreams one day at a time. Within you lies a champion, a force to be reckoned with, a relentless pursuer of dreams. It's time to unleash that inner champion, to silence the doubts, and to step onto the battlefield of life with unwavering confidence. Embrace the challenges that come your way, for they are not obstacles, but opportunities for growth and transformation. View setbacks as stepping stones, each one bringing you closer to your ultimate destination. The world needs your unique talents, your unwavering spirit, and your unwavering commitment to excellence. So go out there, unleash your inner champion, and show the world what you're made of. You have the power to change your life. It starts with a decision, a commitment to yourself, to your dreams. No more excuses, no more delays. The time for action is now. This isn't about waiting for the perfect moment or for someone to give you permission. This is about owning your potential, embracing the grind, and proving to yourself what you're truly capable of achieving. So rise and grind, let the world hear your roar. This is your moment, and the only thing standing between you and your dreams is the will to fight for them.